Today in this video we are going to discuss about, as an investor, what would you prefer, investing in mutual fund or in ULIP. Insurance and investment are for two different purposes. Any scheme that gives you dual benefit is not an ideal choice. Hello friends, welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you take right financial and investment decisions. Now let us discuss about mutual fund investment. Investing in mutual fund will help you generate inflation beating return on the long run. Investing in mutual fund will help investors achieve long-term financial goals. Diversification option help fund manager to mitigate the level of risk involved in a mutual fund. Flexibility in mutual fund will help investors to get better return on their investment. Mutual fund offer their investors with flexible and convenient withdrawals with minimal exit load. Transparency in mutual fund help investors feel safe and secured about their investment. Now let's see how ULIP investment works. Investing in ULIP will promise investors with dual benefit of term insurance and investment. Since investing in investment and term insurance are for different purposes, it would be more beneficial if you invest separately. It generates lesser return when compared to mutual fund investment, and there will also be allocation and surrendering charges, which in turn reduces the margin of profit drastically. ULIP investment ensures a minimum of 5 years lock-in period. If the investor failed to pay premium for 5 consecutive years, then his life insurance scheme will be cancelled. Investors redeeming their ULIP investment before 5 years will only receive 4% gain on their return and will also be penalized strictly. ULIP investment will not be able to generate inflation beating return on the long run. There is no transparency available in ULIP investment. In this video, we have covered about mutual fund as well as ULIP investment. Now, let's see what should be your preferable choice. If you are an investor looking mainly for life coverage, then you can opt to invest in ULIP. However, investing in pure term insurance is the best choice. Whereas, if you are a responsible investor on a motive to get higher return on your investment, then investing in mutual fund is a very good option. When you invest in mutual fund, through diversification, the fund manager is able to mitigate the risk involved in your mutual fund. As an investor, it is necessary for you to invest in investment as well as term insurance. So, rather than choosing to invest in ULIP scheme, it is better to invest separately in pure term insurance and mutual fund. Overall, it is better to invest in mutual fund because it gives investor flexibility and diversification options. In the end, you can conclude that investment and term insurance are for two different purposes. Any scheme that combines these two will not be a suitable choice for an investor. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.